Hello, welcome to the 9.1 worksheet. Here we go. We'll do some of these together. A blank is a solid that is bounded by polygons. Technically, that's called a polyhedron. Polyhedron. All right, which does not belong. Well, this is a pyramid. This is a pyramid. This is a circular pyramid. And this is a pyramid. The difference is this is technically not called a polyhedron because it's got curved stuff. So this is the one that was wrong. All right, match the polyhedron with its name. Well, let's see here. This is a pyramid. This is a pyramid. Is this a pyramid? No. That's the base of that prism, and that's another base of that prism. So that is not a pyramid. This one has one base. This is a prism. This is a pyramid. So just figure it out. Prism, prism, pyramid, pyramid. I think you can take it from there. This is cross sections. This would be a parallel cross section to the bases of the circle. So it's a circle cross section. This would be a parallel, depending on how you look at it. This would be a perpendicular cross section. It's a triangle. You can see when it's cut. All right. So pretty easy homework, really. Look at these solids of revolution, sketch a solid, and then identify and describe the solid. So like for example, 16, if you take this shape and you rotate it, you'd end up getting a cone. And the cone would have a radius of 6, and it would have a height of 6. Cone. All right. Describe and correct the error. They said this was a pyramid, and that, oh my goodness, it's so common. It's so common that they make that mistake. This is not a pyramid. This is a triangular prism. This is a base, and this is a base. Base does not have to be on the bottom. Bases are two shapes that are parallel to each other. So this triangle is parallel to this. They don't come to a point. They're up here at a line. It's not like they're coming to a point. Okay. So this is a prism, and you just, you know what? You're in high school, and you need to know the difference between a prism and a pyramid. Okay, the figure shows a plane intersecting the cube through 4 of its vertices. The edge length of the cube is 6 inches. Edge length is 6 inches. Describe the shape of the cross section. Well, that looks like a rectangle to me. What is the perimeter of the cross section? All right, well, now you got to go back to 45, 45, 90. If these are 6, then how long is this piece right here? That would have to be 6 root 2. So this is 6 root 2, 6 root 2, 6. So the perimeter would be 6 plus 6 root 2 plus 6 plus 6 root 2, which would be 12 plus 12 root 2. Whatever that is. You can plug that in your calculator if you want to figure out what that number is. And then it says, what is the area? So you do base times height of this cross section. So the base would be 6. The area would be 6 times 6 root 2. So 36 root 2, whatever that is. You can plug that in your calculator. All right, now it says to sketch, just sketch the figure. If I want a triangular prism, well, sketch that. That's a triangular prism. So you could just, for 21, you could start with like a flattened out triangle, and then just go down, and I'm going to do a dotted line. There's a triangular prism. How about a pentagonal pyramid? I'm going to start by sketching a pentagon that's flattened out. See that? It's flattened out. I'll put a dot, and I'm going to connect the vertex There it is. There's a pentagonal pyramid. Excellent. How about a square pyramid? 25. You actually start with a parallelogram. Put a dot. Technically these should be, this line should be a dotted line. Technically. So we should go. That's a much better pyramid. That's a square pyramid of some sort. I should put the lines in there to show it's a square, so some right angles and some marks on the side so that it shows it's a square. But there it is, a square pyramid. And that's how it's done. Straightforward homework assignment.